Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, the stock market. And my friends, the bottom is near. The end is near, I would say. The end is near. Why I'm saying this? Well, it's actually, today was again a terrible day for the growth and for the tech sector in the stock market. So before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor myself, and everything I talk about here is entertainment information purposes only. So guys, again a very bad day. If we look at the heat map, we see Apple 2% or almost, Google more than 5% down, Facebook more than 8% down. Oh my god. Match Group 4%. And then Twitter for 5.5% down. And if you look at Snap, I think Snap is closing with over 42%. Amazon down, Tesla down. So if Tesla is down, a lot of ARK stocks are down, like Palantir, etc. So Microsoft holding up good, Berkshire Hathaway holding up good, PayPal of course down, and then we have some healthcare stocks that are actually also holding up very good. Some tobacco stocks, some consumer defensive stocks, also some military defense sector stocks. So overall, I would say it turned a little bit. It turned a little bit during the day. So first it was extremely negative, and if we now check out the Nasdaq, so let's jump to the Nasdaq. So we're closing the Nasdaq now with 2.2%, and if we look in the one day chart, you see it was so negative. We were at the 11,500. So there's so much negativity now, and retailers start to get desperate. I can read it on social media, I can read it in specific investing fora. So I see that the retail investors get very negative, and I see the first retail investors giving in and selling now stocks where they are positions in stocks where they like 80% down. Then they make a calculation and they say, okay, I'm 80% down. In order to get back to zero, they need to actually grow over 480% or something like this. So, and then they sell and they say, now I'm selling now I regret it. And then they have to write it in the social media forum. They have to write it that they were selling and that they're angry and that they sad and that they did a mistake. Well, we know the story, guys. So we know the story. So this is actually what's showing me the bottom is near. And if you compare it actually to the 20s, to Friday last week, so we were not breaking down to Friday last week's lows, and the Nasdaq we were holding up here quite nicely. And if you look at the 3 months chart, yeah, fine, okay, in the 3 months chart, so we are a bit lower, but we're coming back. So is this the bottom? Honestly, guys, of course I can't tell you. I don't know if this is the bottom, but I can tell you, if you were holding up with your position since 16,600, if you're holding up since the Nasdaq was really at the all-time high, maybe you bought something around here between 1,500 and 1,600, so then you're massively down with your positions. But if you were holding up from there and you're still here and you're still smiling and you're still getting up every day and you tell yourself so it was okay to invest and you haven't sold yet, well, then ask yourself, why would it make sense to sell now with a stock that is 80% down? Would it really make sense? I don't think so. But that's your decision, guys. It's not for me to decide, of course. It's just what I'm doing. I'm not selling. I don't go anywhere. I'm not selling anything. So, and then the really, really negative, pessimistic people tell me now, so yeah, but look at the chart. So the overall, look, now let's go. Let's see. Yeah, that's I draw myself a Fibonacci retracement. So let's say, okay, people put on some trend line like this in. So see, now we have a wonderful trend line from 2000. Yeah, since the last crash, and look how little this last crash looks now. So, and then they say, yeah, from here it can at least fall to 6,800. So, oh my god, yeah. Hey guys, I'm not excluding anything. this is even possible. So, but if I would be 100% convinced by this, yeah, then I would short the market now for the next 2 years and would get incredibly rich by shorting the market. But I'm not convinced by this. I really don't think this is going to happen. So, yeah, this is the long-term chart from 1986 chart in the Nasdaq. So yes, it looks crazy here. It looks crazy, and we have to cool down. And I think what we might even see, we might fall back to the 11,000. Maybe we, worst case, we go back to the 10,000. It's all possible, guys. It's all possible. So I'm not excluding anything. So, but I'm still holding, and what I'm doing now, that's the good part. I am buying more stocks. I'm buying stocks cheaper. It's incredible. So I can get now like 10 times more for a really good stock that was here like on this way up. I paid like 10 times more for the stock, and now I get it for 10 times less. So I mean, hey guys, isn't this incredible? So maybe not 10 times, but way cheaper. So isn't this incredible? I mean, I'm not going to need this money for the next 10 years. And of course, only invest if you don't need the money for the next 10 years. So we are telling you this since eternity. YouTubers tell you this since an eternity. Every YouTube videos, don't sell if you need, don't buy stocks if you need the money in the short term. So this must hurt them very, very badly. And don't play with options. Please don't. It is really not a good idea. Long-term investor, buy an index fund. Buy an index fund if you want to invest and you're too much afraid of seeing a stock 80% down. It's possible, guys. So, but stock can also go up 10x at one point. So yes, okay, negativity is there. Everyone is negative. Even I'm also not happy looking now into my portfolio. I'm not happy seeing this. I'm not happy seeing those Google 5% down and Amazon 3% down. Amazon is a big position in my portfolio. NVIDIA, Apple is also a big position. Microsoft, that's also a big position, but I'm fine here. So, but I'm extremely diversified, so I have a lot of those stocks here. So that's my strategy. It's a text optimized strategy, I have to admit. Therefore, I'm not only having ETFs, and because I also like to get some dividends. So, but that's another question. I can talk about this another time. So since I'm not in the US anyways. All right, guys. So let's jump directly, I would say, to some gaming stocks, since we always enjoy gaming stocks so much. So let's look at CD Projekt, and we see CD Projekt 5% down. So yesterday I was saying, oh, the trend line is keeping up well. But today I see, yeah, we broke through to this trend line, so everything is fine. So I'm still thinking it's possible to go to 90 zloty. So don't get scared by this. So that's very important. And then another list. That's my new favorite list in my closing bell in this great new format I have. So I hope also you enjoy this format. If you do so, comment, like, and subscribe, of course, guys. So what we have here, this is the closing today. So Unity software, I bought more Unity software. I own Unity software. But for you guys, you have to make your own decision. So I bought it more and I have it now cheaper, so why not? So GameStop also down, CD Projekt down, as I just said, Paradox down, NVIDIA down, AMD, Playback, Corsair, Tencent of course down, Ubisoft down, Focus, Logitech, 11-bit Frontier, Rovio Entertainment, TakeTwo, Microsoft, Bigben, all of those down. You can see them here. So, and Zynga doesn't exist anymore, but because Zynga has been bought, the merger has been fulfilled. I was a Zynga stockholder. I'm holding stocks, also shares also of TakeTwo. So, and now I have to, oh my god, now I have to look at this from all this bureaucracy, from tax purposes, etc. So very, very annoying. But Zynga is history. We are excited for Zynga's next generation mobile platform, free-to-play expertise, diverse offering of games, and incredible team to join the Take-Two family, said Frank Gibault, CEO of Zynga. We are eager to continue building an unparalleled portfolio of games that will reach broader markets and lead to continued growth for this next chapter. So I guess I will make a dedicated video for this. And what is up? Team 17, Bandai, again, Bandai Namco. Electronic Arts is again up, so I think I also have to make a dedicated video for Electronic Arts. It seems there some people are speculating for on a takeover, because Electronic Arts normally being so much up, I don't really get it, so personally. I think speculation on the takeover. Then CI Games, I'm invested in. Embracer also up, so see, some European, Japanese and British, and only one American gaming stock is up. So it's really a mess, but I can tell you guys, so keep calm, relax, breathe. Just remember, you don't need the money for the next 5 years or even 10 years, I don't know. Now you can buy more stocks and you can chill and you can just be happy that stocks are cheaper, or you have panic, or you go panic selling, or you tell yourselves, oh, we are going to fall even 50% more, and then you totally panic and you say the world is ending. So guys, relax. So I'm not telling you what to do, but always relax and take really your decisions with calmity and a relaxed mood, and don't overreact now. That's the most important, because I can see retail investors like you and me and those four, they already start overreacting. So it seems the end is near. Hopefully the end is near. I can't tell you if this is going to be the case, but I can just share with you the pain that we all have, and this is what we can do on those YouTube channels. We can share the pain. I see a lot of YouTubers that were talking about stocks, that they stop talking about stocks when the crash comes, but this is actually the best moment you talk about the stock. I also see that there's not so much interest in those videos, but guys, it's the best time to talk about stocks, because now stocks are cheap. So just saying this, guys. All right, so thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.